Muhammad is cleaning the ceramic tiles with Karcher single disc machine. Yeah, amazing. You can see here, work in progress. Hi Muhammad. The other one is my machine. Here I am doing cleaning. It's a very nice project. Cleaning the ceramics, the Karcher, Professional single disc machine. Work in progress. Here we are doing a floor polishing work. Hi friends, how are you? I hope you are enjoying well. It's an amazing job here. We are working this area, Mushraf, Abu Dhabi. Beautiful pool. Very nice location. Skyscrapers. Mosque. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. I hope you're enjoying our videos. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you can get the notification when I upload new videos. Have a nice day.